Hi there, Poppin' PJ here, and I have a fun project for you. Whether you're purchasing something at the store or giving a present, as they say, packaging is everything. We're going to use this inexpensive picture frame from the Dollar Tree. This pocket I cut off from some jean shorts. This is a cute butterfly jewelry embellishment I got on sale super clearance at Hobby Lobby. We're going to remove the film or the plastic off of our picture frame. For this packaging that we're going to do for our gift, I'm going to use the colors from this butterfly, the gold and the red. I am going to begin by removing the glass from the picture frame. That step is super easy to do. We are now going to take this frame and spray paint it gold. I will be spray painting both sides. I am going to use this Rust-Oleum metallic finish gold paint. I will now use this Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Colonial Red Satin Spray Paint to paint the glass. Here we go. I will be putting 2 coats of paint on the glass. Okay, the 2 pieces have dried. Now for the fun part. Look how pretty our gold frame is. Look how pretty our glass is with the red paint. I am inserting our painted glass back into the picture frame as you see here. Oops, I'm closing it up and I have to put the back side of the frame back on. Silly me. Making sure to push down all of those little metal pieces to make sure our glass frame is securely enclosed. I love the contrast of the gold with the red. I will next be using this Gorilla Glue to adhere our jeans pocket onto the picture frame, like so. Laying down some Gorilla. Now I am placing my jeans pocket right at the top of the picture frame. I am going to take this super cute butterfly out of its packaging, or at least try to. I swear anymore they don't want you to get to the stuff that you buy. Using my jewelry pliers to remove the little circular pieces on the butterfly that I don't need. I want the butterfly to sit right on the center of the pocket like so. Laying down some Gorilla Glue onto the butterfly, which I will adhere onto the pocket. Adjusting the butterfly to get it just right. I think I like it right here, so I'm just going to hold this down. And just like that, look what we have. Is this not adorable? Instead of a gift bag or a gift box, we have a gift frame. You can put money in here. Or you can even take and put a phone in here. It could even be used as a phone holder if you really want it to. It is poppin' when you can make something super cute, but very inexpensively and very little effort. That's for me. I have many passions and Poppin' PJ has something for you.